Here's a new 2023 Cadillac XT5. Designed with your agenda in mind, this XT5 helps you get ahead while pampering you like it's your day off. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 754-220-1690.